friends, my name is Shambhavi and today I did this very beautiful Durga Puja Bengali makeup look. To see how I created this look, let's roll into the main content. Also, to see how I created this look, you can watch me on Instagram. I did an IGTV on this look, so you can follow me there. Let's roll into the main content. As usual, I'll start with the skincare. I'll tone her skin because she was out in market, so it's important to cleanse her skin. So I'm cleansing it with a toner. And then I'm moisturizing and hydrating her face because I'm going to use pretty matte and heavy foundation. Because it's Bengali look, it's important to have heavy makeup. So I'm hydrating more with an oil-based moisturizer. Actually moisturizing, not hydrating. Next, I'll use a very hydrating yet very glowy and still turns to be a matte primer from a Smashbox. It's actually an investment in a primer. If you want to invest in a primer, do look for a Smashbox. I'll color correct under her eyes and then I'll mix the two shades of foundation. Maybelline actually has very beautiful shade and mostly the Indian skin tone, Indian British skin tone. It's better to use 230 to 310. It's fab. It suits every Indian skin tone. Next, I'll use a heavy coverage, very creamy, thick concealer. I believe nowadays that foundation should be in a thin consistency, and whatever you want to cover it with a thicker consistency and more coverage concealer. So in this way you can actually have a very beautiful base, not that thick. Also you can cover everything you want. I'm just buffing the contour and the concealer together to make it more skin like finish, and that contour will be not that harsh on her face. Then I'm blending everything with a sponge to take excess off, also to make it very natural skin like finish. For whole face, I love to use pressed powder because it's pressed and didn't have moisture of its own, so it absorbs moisture well and have less chances to cake. Next, I'll use loose powder for brightening, covering and to catch any fallout. First, I'll use an earthy orangish brown shade and buff it all across her outer portion of her lid, buffing it with a small fluffy blending brush. Next, I'll use an earthy orange shade and buff it into the outer crease. And lastly, I'll use a deep wine shade and buff it very close to her lash line. With a dome-shaped pencil brush, I'm sketching the angles too. Next, I'll use a purplish bronze glitter and apply it onto the center of her lid. And I'll use a different gradation of glitters too. So next, I'm using a yellowish bronze glitter, and then I'm using a very faded pink salmon glitter onto the inner corner of her eyes. I'll swipe off the excess powder. Next, I'll bronze her skin and give a little bit of dimension to her face. I'll apply a peachish orangish tone blush to match her eyes. Next, I'll do a very thick eyeliner, very beautiful catty eyeliner, and then shading lower lashes, filling her lower lashes. I'll mist her face with setting spray, and then I'll do lip liner. I'm outlining her lips with a nude lip liner. I'll fill her eyebrows very lightly and make it very natural yet dramatic to match her eye look. Next, she'll do a very beautiful red lip. She was comfortable doing on her own, so I let her do that. And mascara and everything, you know the drill. I hope you all find it helpful. See you all in my next video and thanks for watching.